Antarctica is a continent, but the Arctic is not? What the hell is going on here? Hi, I'm Nate from PolarGuidebook.com, and in this video, we'll find out why the South Pole and the North Pole are not as similar as you may think. Let's begin by answering the question of what is a continent, because this in and of itself poses some difficulties. The basic definition of a continent is a large, continuous, discrete mass of land, ideally separated by expanses of water. But with no specific criteria regarding size and amount of separation, this could include any island. So scientists will typically look for these three things. 1. Being on separate tectonic plates. 2. Having geological distinction, which means having unique terrain, plants, and animals. And 3. Having anthropological distinction, which means having different people and cultures. So, does Antarctica fit these criteria? Yes. If you drilled through the 2,000-meter thick ice sheet, you'd find a large landmass underneath. This sits on the Antarctic tectonic plate. It has all the basic characteristics of a continent, such as being surrounded by vast open ocean. As for the second point, it's certainly geologically distinct from neighboring continents. It's a large, ice-covered desert with only lower plant groups that have adapted to the extreme climate. Then there are the unique animals that can be found in Antarctica and not on other continents, such as the emperor penguin and the leopard seal. Finally, does it have unique people and cultures? Yes, in fact, it's the only continent with no permanent residents, which makes it very unique indeed. This is why in the 7-continent model taught by most English-speaking countries, Antarctica is included as one of the 7 continents. The full 7 in order of size are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. So why does Antarctica deserve the title of a continent, but the Arctic doesn't? Let's go back to the original definition. Unlike Antarctica, there is no mass of land beneath the Arctic. It's mostly just ocean with sea ice on top. And it's not surrounded by expanses of water, it's surrounded by land. In this respect, it's the complete opposite of Antarctica. The Arctic does not sit on its own tectonic plate either. It straddles the Eurasian and North American plates. You could make some arguments that the people and animals are unique, but this alone is not enough to call it a continent. Do you want to find out more about the differences between the two ice caps? Such as how one of them has no owners, but the other is governed by 8 countries? Then check out this next video, where we pit the Arctic and Antarctica head-to-head. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.